Hello and welcome to today's video, guys. I have decided to do something that I put on the calendar for a really long time, and it was one of those things that I stared it down and thought about it and tried to talk myself out of it. And here we are, because I actually have two products. Wait, that's four. I have two products that are perfect for this kind of a experiment. I'm not going to call it a challenge. It's just a wear test experiment. I have never done this before, so I'm really excited. I am going to wear 24-hour marketed products like this Catrice HD liquid coverage lasts up to 24 hours, and then the MAC Studio Fix that is said to last for 24 hours that a lot of people don't like, actually. Wish me luck, wish my under eye area luck. So they say that they last up to 24 hours. I feel like the owl from the Tootsie Roll Pop commercials, you know, where it's like, how many looks do you get to the center? 1, 2, and then he's like, ah, and that would be me eating candy, by the way. But I'm into that kind of an experiment. I just want to know, I want to know how many hours will this really last, and not just do a wear test and at the end of the day it looks terrible and whatever. I am going to sleep in this makeup. That is how committed I am. So say a little prayer for my skin, and let's just kind of dive into this. I have been dying to test this out. Now, the shade range online looks like an absolute disaster, but they did send me a complete shade range with literally 20 plus colors, and it looked really great. So I am personally kind of confused. I actually picked one of these up in Thailand myself. So I purchased one myself, and then I wound up getting a full huge collection in my PR. So I will do a little more digging on the shade range. You can buy this off of Ulta, eBay, their site. They're available in the UK. I picked it up in Thailand. The reviews are really great on this, and I think it's supposed to be similar to the Fenty foundation, even ingredient wise, and I am really excited. I didn't like that one. I'm really hoping I like this one. Actually, why am I excited if I'm I didn't like the Fenty foundation, this one's supposed to be just like it. Haha, joke's on me. I'm gonna wear it for 24 hours and hate my life, but we're doing this. So let's pick out what shade I'm going to wear. I have 6 of them in front of me, and I've kind of been playing around figuring out my shade. Okay, so that was shade 37, I think. No, this looks about right for me. It's kind of neutral. This is 40. Yeah, that looks better. I just have a lot of green in my skin, which A, makes me look sick, but B, means I need something that's not super pink or super yellow. I need that kind of olive type of a thing with my foundations. That's actually a really excellent color. So I have 32 nude beige. Let's try this. A little, actually, this is oxidizing just a little bit. So this is looking a little darker. This might be the win. Number 32 nude beige. I think we're gonna go with that so that you guys don't scream at me and go, Tati, why would you wear something too dark for you? These lights in here make it impossible to shade match. That's just the truth. Things oxidize. And then there's also the part of me that would rather have my foundation be just a tinge darker than more pale. Let's prime the face with my favorite primers, because we need to test it with the good ones. We're gonna start with a little Guerlain. That was my favorite part of the Thomas collab. I watched it over and over. When he pumped the Guerlain gold base that I gave him, and literally it splattered right on the desk in front of us. The thing that I thought was super funny was his face. Watching the video, I did not realize how many crazy expressions he was making while I'm just sitting there talking. He was just and posing with everything. I was dying. So funny. I'll link that video below. So good. I do have to say, I have not watched This Is Us. I know, who am I? I don't even know right now. I had to watch the Shane Dawson and Jake Paul thing. Did you guys watch it? How fascinating. How good is Shane at editing and putting it all together, and I am so curious to see where this story goes, to learn more. It's fair to say, you guys probably already know, not a fan of those kind of prank videos, but I am absolutely curious to see where the story goes, because I don't know a lot. Like, I'm one of those people that I really won't give a view to videos that I don't think deserve it and that I don't hope get popular. So those kind of like clickbaity, crazy titles, I don't click on it. So I've really never seen a lot, you know? Okay, so we're gonna go in with Nude Beige, number 32. And we're gonna pray to God that this does not give me acne. But if it does, I'll just take more Halo. Okay, I'm gonna stamp it on one side with a sponge, and then I'm gonna go on the other side with a brush. We're back to that whole thing to just kind of test out what works better. This is going on beautifully. Whoa, wow. How did that go on so well? What? So the claims on this foundation are that it lasts, of course, up to 24 hours. It's lightweight, it is vegan, it has a cool dropper dispensary. I don't know that that's really that great, but you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. It's pretty full coverage. And it is very light feeling. Like, it really doesn't feel like anything is on my face at all. That's kind of crazy. Other side, we are going to use a brush. Don't scream at me. I don't have anything else in front of me aside from my Clarisonic that I do super love. But you could use just like a foundation brush or anything like that, you know? Wow, this is making the product stretch, dude. You know, the Clarisonic did a great job, but I'm gonna go ahead and say with this kind of a thin, liquidy, like I wanna show you guys how just like thin the consistency of this is. Do you see? It's just very, not watery, but it's a very thin liquid. I feel it presses in better with a sponge. Wow, I'm kind of shocked by how pretty this is. $10.99, dude. This is going on really just, woo. We're gonna have to do a close-up straight away because this is super, super gorgeous. All right, now it is time to dig in to this big bad boy PR box, which I am gonna donate the colors that I am not using. But right on the concealer, it says 24 hour. Well, Mac, we shall see about that. So I'm gonna go in with NC35 and conceal. A lot of people have said that they think this is too thick. They don't like it. I was a little nervous to try it out, but then I was like, you know what? Sometimes the things that my friends like recommend, like I don't like, and vice versa. So I just want to try it for myself and see what the deal is. It smells really kind of crazy. Like, it has that paint thinner kind of a smell. That's not bad. I don't mind it. I'm gonna brighten up just a little bit by going a step lighter. Yeah, that brightened things like right up. All right, so I'm gonna powder the face and then do a close-up for you guys. I am gonna kind of keep it quick and just get to those check-ins. So here we are, so far so good. I really enjoy this, and I'll see you guys a lot through the rest of my day. All right, you guys, we're about 2 hours in. I just ate lunch. Actually, no, 3 hours, because I put this on at 1 o'clock. I feel very mattified. I feel like I'm having a really nice makeup day. I don't know that this is gonna last for 24 hours, but right now everything's holding in nice and tight, and that's where we're at. I'll see you in another hour. It is about 5:30 right now, and I need to wash my arm. Holy smokes, this is like the real life of a beauty guru behind the scenes, the kind of stuff that I do to find the best makeup for you. I also wear a foundation for 24 hours. Oh my goodness, why am I doing this? My pores are going to hate me. So let's take a look. I'm trying to be like right underneath the light so I can kind of go up close and have you guys see. Nothing is breaking apart. I have a little bit of creasing, which I always do because I'm not a robot, I'm a human. But it looks really nice. No touch-ups, and I still look like nice and almost powdered but not dry, so like I'm into it. It is now around 7:30. We need to go and pick up James's credit card that he left at a restaurant here in LA. The makeup is still looking really nice. I do have to say, I already have like the I really want to wash this off. I can't wait till I wash my makeup off. And part of my brain is like, why did you say that you were going to wear this for 24 hours? Like, that is dumb. My skin is screaming, you know, like it's already kind of mad at me. It looks good though, right? It looks pretty cute, pretty good. 7:46. I have not powdered, I have not touched up. I could use like a little powdering right through here, but for the most part, it's so nice. Like I am kind of shocked that we're almost at 8 o'clock and I feel like everything looks very fresh and held together. So yay for that. We are off to go grab dinner. Oh my God, Puka, you crazy little boy. And
someone wants to go bye-bye.
Someone wants to go bye-bye. Pookie, would you like to go with us to pick up dinner?
Do you want to go bye-byes? Do you?
Look at his little paws. How's mommy's foundation? Good? You approve? Puka approved? Hey, not bad for all day wear so far, right?
It's beautiful. You look great.
I know, it's actually really nice. I really like it so far. All right, we are past 8 o'clock. I'm finally out of the house, going and grabbing some quick dinner. This is my in the car check-in, and Puka's in the back. Puka Shell? Puka Shell? Can I please have you for one moment? Yep, that's all I get. And let's wait and see if Puka is gonna be a good boy or a naughty one. Wanna say hi to the people? Hi. Puka. Puka Shell. Puka Shell. So I'm just here in the car with Puka while James runs in and grabs some food for us. I am just on pins and needles seeing if my dog is going to behave or act up, because usually he has some kind of issue with someone, an elderly person, a small child. It's really embarrassing. Puka. See, he's getting kind of worked up already. Usually he starts making like Ewok noises. I'm kind of waiting for that. Okay, so here's the scoop, you guys. The foundation, I'm getting a little greasy, but out of all the foundations I have tested recently, I have to say this is probably the very best, and I cannot believe the price point on it. It's so good. Excuse me, I just burped. It's so good. I just burped again. I'm disgusting. And I don't know why everyone was hating on this concealer so much. I like it. I don't think it's bad at all. I mean, it's not as heavy of coverage as, say, Tarte Shape Tape or one of those, but it's not bad. Like, I'm not hating it. It's like not creasing. This might be my new very favorite foundation. Why is this wearing so incredibly well? Yay! He made it back.
Good boy.
He was a very good boy.
Good boy.
He was like an extra good boy. Like a guy came by on a bike and he did nothing. I've never seen him behave this well.
You know what that means?
Extra treats.
I'm gonna give you some chicken.
He's like, give it to me now, please. Excuse me, this foundation is witchcraft. I'm so sorry what is even happening right now, because it is past midnight, and first of all, this is gonna be a real treat for my husband because I'm going to bed looking extra fabulous. I think I'm gonna take the lashes off, but still, I'm going to bed in makeup. This is like full commitment. I'm in this. I really think we have the final stretch to go to see how this holds up during a night's sleep, because you know what? You might be thinking that when you look at this foundation, like, hey, if I were to sleep in this, which you really should never do that if you actually care about your skin, but if you're thinking, hey, should I sleep in this and what would happen if I did? Would I look good in the morning? I'm gonna find that out for you. So I'm about to go to bed. I think it still looks really good, you guys. Like, I'm kind of blown away. Oh my gosh, and James kept complimenting me on my foundation, and I've tried a few that I really just haven't liked recently, and he's not shy. Like, he sees me trying all these different crazy products and he'll be like, that one like kind of makes your pores look weird, or it's dry, or it's greasy. This one is like perfect. So I kind of wanted to do like a pillow talk check-in for you guys. This is just the weirdest thing. It's so weird that I'm going to bed in my makeup. Oh my gosh, P.S. I still have swatches on my arm that would not wash off because I was putting things to the test to find out the world's best eyeliner for you guys too. Do you guys see the commitment? Like, this is like from the heart. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have a lash in my eyeball. Hold please. I'm gonna see how much I get on my pillow here tonight. I feel actually oddly excited to sleep in my makeup because I'm super curious if I look in the mirror in the morning if I'm gonna be like, awesome. Because we've all had those nights where maybe you want to wake up in the morning with makeup on. I don't know. I'm not going to judge you. Your skin will judge you because your skin will probably hate it, but I'm not going to judge you. I'm going to tell you if something's going to work great for you or not. So that is that. Enough from me. I am calling it quits, and I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm so pretty.
You really want me to record you?
Yes, like for dramatic purposes. Look, I'm sleeping now.
What?
I actually am. It's like 2 in the morning. Why are we awake?
What if you just handed me the camera instead?
It's on the nightstand right here. Somewhere. It's too far.
Open your eyes.
God damn. But on a real note, how fantastic does my foundation look?
You know what, your foundation looks great and everything, but I'm really worried that you're gonna like wake up with acne or something. You're not
That's
supposed
not how
to
it
sleep in
works.
makeup.
I've done it before. Do you know what I used to do?
What?
Legit. Wait, can I even say that on my channel? No, but like if you were to spend the night at a guy's house for the first time ever, I would wear waterproof mascara and like a little bit of concealer.
So when you woke up at his house the next morning, you'd still have some makeup on?
Yeah. Well, no, that makes it sound like I had a game plan that I was like bouncing from guy's house to guy's house to guy's house. Not the case.
Right.
Yeah, no. Oh my gosh, you're still you're really close though. You don't have to be that close. They understand how beautiful I look in my makeup as I fall asleep.
Good night, honey.
You know what I do to fall asleep? I count all the lipsticks that I think I have instead of counting sheep. Maybelline, Revlon, Clinique, Tom Ford, Bare Essentials, YSL. Okay, good night. Oh wow, she is so beautiful in the morning. James, are you in here? No. Okay. I'm scaring my dog currently. He doesn't really know what to make of this. Wow. Why did I think this was like a good idea? I knew it was gonna end up looking gross and crappy, but oh my gosh, look at my brow. The truth comes out. Oh my God. I just turned from like the after picture to the before because that's what happens overnight. So I cannot stand to keep this makeup on my face any longer. I've waited as long as I possibly could. It is 9:58 in the morning. I've been sitting here on my computer like doing emails, like really trying to think that I was gonna wait until 1 o'clock with this makeup on. I'm not going to. Okay, we're washing it off and I'm gonna wear it again today. That's how much I love this. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, wash the Science Makeup Experiment off, and then redo. I'll see you guys looking much cuter in a minute. I am shocked by this foundation, you guys. Like, I am seriously blown away. I'm wearing it again right now. I am wearing the concealer again right now, and I thoroughly love it so, so much. I feel like it's very long wearing, not 24 hours, but really, who are we kidding? Like, what do we expect to wear that long? Like, I knew it wouldn't, but I have to say I am so pleased with the length of time that it wore, that it felt really lightweight on the skin. My concealer didn't crease. All in all, it was just like one of those good makeup days, and I'm wearing it, of course, right now again, and I feel like I'm gonna have the same experience. So I'm gonna keep reaching for this one. $10.99 for the foundation, love it. If you want something mattified, I think that you would be into this product. And the concealer, I can tell why some people would not love it the most, but I'm gonna keep playing with it. It's not super, super thick as far as coverage goes, but it did not crease on me, and that is like my #1 request with concealers. It also did wear for a really, really long time. So that's awesome. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did and you appreciate me sacrificing my skin for a good solid wear test, then go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you do that before you leave so that you are notified of my videos, which go up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. I love you so much. I hope you're having a good one, whatever you are doing, and I will see you in tomorrow's video with James. Oh my gosh, he's here as a special guest. We're doing something really fun, so come back and hang out with us then. All right, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Mwah.